Welcome to Malcolm Growden's beautiful RT Challenger rep here. This would have to be one of my all-time favourite cars and definitely drives the need for a bigger shed right here. The long sleek stance of that body with a short roof, long bonnet flying up over the two bonnet vents, catching that air to shove down the throat of that Hemi engine, making it scream through that manual gearbox, fully makes me want one of these. I can't even remember how old I was, but I knew this was the coolest car out when I watched that famous movie Vanishing Point. The Challenger models were developed by Dodge to take on the Mercury Cougars and the Pontiac Firebirds at the time. They were considered a pony car, although Mustang had already grabbed the market. Dodge figured they would just build a car to kick everyone's butt. The RT model, named as a road track model, came out with a dressed up interior filled with extra options. Plus you could order all sorts of engine combinations depending on how far you wanted to kick that butt. They were aimed at the young, affluent American car buyer. But with a wicked Mopar engine slotted in up front, any rev head with a buck would jump at owning one of these. Malcolm's Challenger here with a gloss red paint and black decals certainly takes advantage of the long sleek body lines. Sitting on them 20-inch rims stepped into the modern age of retro mod with small modifications, but it still retains that gorgeous look with its stance and body being dropped over the wheels. The vented and slotted brake rotors up front giving the performance and ready to race appearance for pulling up that Mopar when she does get screaming. The Mopar heads punching air through the twin exhaust sounds awesome when it's rolling past, as if begging to have the jandal shoved into it. Inside, the seats have been upgraded to a serious pair of hold-on tight seats from JAMEX, with a custom dash instrument panel matching the modern appearance. Under that bonnet sits a 360 cubic inch Mopar with a few tricks, LED heads, MSD ignition, along with a centre MSD injection setup to make it jump when that jandal gets pushed in. It seriously is a gorgeous package of a traditional muscle car, brought into the modern era without taking away its grandness from the 70s muscle car era. The era when muscle cars were just awesome.